deer.
It's just looking for some food there.
Oh, look at how cute. Owen,
What?
what do you see right there?
There's a deer! Hi, Grandma.
Careful, Owen. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't have any food. I don't have any food. How cute. Yeah, I'm taking a video right now. Look at how cute it is.
It's a girl.
Oh. Hi. How cute. Yes. I don't know. It's so cute. That is too much. Look at that.
Did you get her on your...
I did. I'm taking a video.
Oh, good.
There's Owen. There's Noel and Dave and Patty. How cute was that?
What's that deer's name?
Bambi.
Bambi.
That might be Auntie.
That's not right, Bambi.
Bambi. They're just up in the bush.
Oh.